Welcome back. I will show you how to create this minimalistic website banner in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Go to Create a Design and search for Website. Then, click on Website. This will give you a website banner size. Now, we have a blank website banner. First of all, go to Elements and Search Shapes in the Search section. Choose a rectangle shape with a light gray color and adjust it perfectly. After that, search for Model Clothes in the Elements section and choose an image that matches our design. Adjust it like this, My Designers. Go to the text option and choose this specific font. Then, edit it with New Sale, just like I'm doing right now. Yeah, perfect. After that, adjust the font a little bit, like this. Now, go to Effects and choose the Lift effect. Then, go to Colors and choose a color that relates to our theme. After that, choose the same font and edit it with 70%, like what I'm doing right now. Right-click on the text, go to Layers, and choose Send Backward. Adjust it a little bit behind the text. After that, change the text font, adjust its color, and add the lift effect to it as well. And I think I'll change its font to something related to the theme. Great, yeah, it's perfect, friends, now it's looking attractive. Now, go to Colors and choose a color that relates to our theme. Now, go to Text and choose another font. Edit it with your brand style. For example, like I'm writing styles, I will edit its font with this because it becomes like a signature look. Guys, it's looking stunning. Now, I will change its color and also add the lift effect to give it a shadow effect. Now, I will add a heading and edit it with the menu option. First of all, I will write home. After that, I will change its font to something good like that bingo. Then, I will go to Elements, search for Line, select one, crop it a little bit, and place it under the Home button. Exactly like that. Now, I will duplicate the text and add other texts one by one, but with white color. The menu will look realistic. We are on the home page, so I will put black color on it and white on the others. Now, I will search Shop in the Elements section and choose one from the elements. I will adjust it on the top right corner for viewers. Now, I will find the search button in the Elements section, and I will select this one because it relates to our theme. I will adjust it in the top right corner. And also change the color of our shop icon to this one. Yeah, bingo. Now, I will search for a Shop Now button in the Elements section, choose this one, and adjust the button here. Yeah, perfect. After that, I will change my Shop Now button to this color that relates to our theme. Bingo. Now click on Share and Download. If you like my design, share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.